Got him. Hey, that's a good one.
That actually might be a keeper. We got a...
Here. I don't have a tape measure. I got pliers if you need it.
Man, do you have a tape measure? Do you have a tape measure? What? Do you have a tape measure? Yeah.
Kiwi, go get it from Matt. It's a walleye. He's in the corner of his mouth here. It's 18.
If it's legal, put it back gently. There's a lot.
That's a good one. Oh, you wanted to go right away. Yeah, he's got it. Oh yeah, he's got it. Here, come here and hold this. He's got it big time. He's taking it too. Hold this. You don't need your gloves.
I do. Cold like balls out here.
Oh, I got him. I got him.
Got him?
I got him. Ooh, he feels good too. Feels good. Feels good.
Ooh. I thought I saw.
Holy shit, it's a good one. Oh god.
Good one.
Oh, I got a good one.
Don't pull on the ice.
Yeah, he's running.
That's a fish?
He's hooked like a dipshit. It's a pike.
Oh, it is?
Oh, you gotta have a... You're gonna be 32. That's a small one.
Oh no, it's an eye. It's an eye.
Hold up. Grab my light.
What is that? You tried biting it. Oh, go ahead.
That's a good one.
Oh, fuck. Where's my big one?
There you go.
Put it in the snow.
Here.
Tape it. You guys can't fish without a tape.
Can't fish it without a light.
Andrew, hold this.
Yeah.
Hold this end.
You guys are down.
Hold. You
Ryan,
hurry up.
flat. Nice. No, lay it on the side. Right there from the snow.
There, Andrew. 16. Damn it. Hold on. Well, he doesn't have a. Hold this.
Oh, he doesn't have a hook out of it.
Yeah, exactly.
No.
I gave my players. He swallowed it.
That thing back with
Well, you
Hold
jiggle
this.
back and forth a little bit.
Here, I'm trying to lay it down, Andrew.
Jiggle eye, you just jiggle them, yeah. Just like you did the bluegill. Back, forward. Jiggle. You getting livelier?
No.
Fucking jackass. There's fucking hip-ups out here. He's going 1,000 miles an hour. Fucking A. Go somewhere else. Dumb shit.
You going? You might want
There he goes.
huh?
There he goes. Get a little bit. I might have set it off on accident. There you go. It's like just.
I'm gonna take that treble and fucking nailed it. 2 seconds later. We should be drilling holes over here and we're shanty over here, dude. God. 17.
Dang!
You think it's 18? Is it 18 or no? I think it's 18. Look at that.
Do
It's 18.
you want to take it? Is it spinning?